We are here.
Mm-hmm. So if we
So
go up there, that's green. Yeah, let's go green.
this way. You come back.
So we're going on the orange side.
What do you?
Keeping the map safe would ensure that you wouldn't die. Yeah? Okay. Cool. Coolio. We have our stuff to walk through the bushes. Are they really?
Yep. No, into 20 minutes.
What if they're just cuddling?
Right, just cut. Yeah, bring it.
I think so. I see the arrow pointing on the side. That's the orange arrow. Looks yellow to me. We go this way.
Well, let's go the other way.
Hello, the
That's
map
risky.
again. It have a plant name there so we can see where we are. The grass is slippery too.
Not a slippery of the mud. Good. Okay. Oh, maybe we can ask them for their map.
Oh, because this is an old one?
Yeah. But we can't assume they're finished.
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Hi, evening. Orange
Y'all
tree.
know started or?
Sorry?
Y'all know started?
No, we're going back.
We're going back. You have
Yeah.
the new map or the old one? Oh, that's the old one.
The old one is, but
Yeah.
the same thing.
Kind, but it looks like a dead end over there.
Oh,
I don't know. Have you been here before? I have, but it was a
time.
while ago.
For
Oh.
first time.
my first time.
Yeah, I think it's a dead end. So
Oh,
we kind of.
I can adventure all the thing.
Look for the orange.
So you're number 27. So we are
Seeing 29, 28. I'm not seeing 27.
we came this way.
Look, 27 next to 4. It's not supposed to be at that end.
Was it go all the way down? Past through the tree?
I seen a tree here. Between the trees, yeah. It's not at that end. Unless it became at that end. At some point.
We're going to get back to the evening. We're going to walk back and then go back up this way. Yeah, alright.
That's somebody. Is it that way we have to go? Or this way? This way. Look. Arrow. Oh, but look, have an arrow there down so too. We're gonna pass through the trees, like I said.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, crossroad.
Let's pass here because there's more mud. That's right. That's right. Unless here goes around and wraps around there.
There's no one in the bushes.
How would you make a comment like that?
So that's how they did last time too.
Well, I'll be done with my stick. With my staff. My staff.
But this is green now?
I'm confused. How do you ask to reach green? Fuck.
What is blue?
Maybe it's blue. But how would we reach back to blue though? We're quite over here somewhere.
Right?
We need to look for our next plant. What's our number?
Because if we was over here, and we went so,
We're supposed to come on that straight line. I guess this is it here. Because this would be the part that coming down from here. And this is where we are. So we gotta go so. I think. Don't follow my navigational skills, man. It's poor.
if you get lost, I tell you, they take shoes, and be brown.
No? I have brown shoes. wonder if I catch that. You really needed to
shit. Oh no.
it burst? Or it gone inside? You'll be fine. Just some mud. This looks like the path we may have passed if we came from so. Take your time, take your time. Maybe you could find our next stop on the trail. Look, that's what they were looking. They're cuddling. Because one latch on to the next one shell. What the fucking? Through the shell? Oh, pine trees. I love pine trees. Follow the arrow. Tread on. It's very muddy here. I hope there's not a muddy part that is still not to pass. Nah, we could never reach there. But I was on top here. Alright. And we're walking kind of down. So. Ooh. Huh? If we die on the train?
Wait, we just come from here.
Yeah, we didn't. We made all this curve.
No.
I don't remember making that big curve.
Unless we here.
No, if it was there, would I be on top of these things, not watching it from below? We're watching it from below.
Yeah, I know.
What if we left Coco Hill? They should have an entrance
this is
slash
where we are.
exit there. That's interesting. Then we could come in here for free. Instead of paying $20.
Oh yeah, no, we don't. But we don't have the map. We have the map now though. Can I have a picture?
You took a picture of it? Great to see.
Next time. Next time. Come on, you say my tips, guys.
So funny.
And the girl will probably look at us like, wait, what? Maybe end up off the
I
road.
mean, they must know that it has a...
But it does say private property.
Yeah, so maybe nobody passes on this road. So the people, my people, all 80-something subscribers, you all need to know. You all know it have a... this is what, a highway?
Yeah.
Oh God!
Only that section of the highway.
Oh, okay. So how much it is here now?
60? 80.
So they have a section on, this is the ABC highway. They have a section on the ABC highway that is 40 kilometers per hour. Listen, better you put the car in neutral and let it roll. Because what? That is crazy. And then the regular, so the rest of the highway here is between 60 to 80. So this highway is 80.
Nationally, it's 60, and then on certain highways, it's 80.
Certain highways is 80, the limit nationally is 60. That's crazy. Our speed limit is 100 and sometimes that is be too slow for me.
Residential areas is 40, urban areas is 40. Inside the cities,
So when I see the 40, I was like, why? I see they have a school around here or something. Children passing, crossing the street. I don't understand. Why it's so slow? Oh, this man needs to put some air in his tires. All them tires need air. Yikes. The front and the back right side need air. Or yours. Okay. Yeah, that is, I just wanted to share that piece of information. I think it's wild, absolutely wild, that the speed limit is 40 anyway on a highway. That shouldn't be. That's your walk. That's your walk.